So we probably have time for one last question. And I see a question in the back here.
John, pick your favorite Friday night happy hour place in Point. Was it Buffy's, Grin and Beer It, Ella's, or Bruisers?
Oh my God. All the above. Who asked that question? Is that a pointer?
Yeah, class of 86.
Oh my gosh, so good, so good, so good. So I'm a Prey Sims guy. I played golf there, and I think my first bar would have been Buffy's. And when I was back there, so on the book tour, I went back to Point. It would have been right around March 15th of this year. And I'll tell you what, a lot of those good old, so Ella's is taken away, but they still kept the sign. Lucky's is gone. You might remember Lucky's, but Buffy's is there. And some of the, like, I was a big Hilltop guy because that was out by Stevens Point Golf Course. I don't know if you like Hilltop Burgers, but, and that was out by the interstate. But yeah, I would probably say I'm a Buffy's guy. But then Hilltop guy to have burgers and a beer and then to golf afterwards. But it's great to hear from a fellow Pointer.
Well, fantastic. You've given us more time than we asked for. And you know, to quote the book here, that is our most precious, scarce resource. So I really appreciate it. And in fact, you may not know this, but John is one of the biggest supporters of our economics reading group. He gave us his time today for free. And what's really cool about that is we're going to go ahead and take $2,000 and we're going to split it up between the 3 student questions today. It'll be a scholarship, so come see me afterward and make sure I have your name on record. And can we give John a big hand for all of it?
Yeah, that's Ryan, you are so very kind. And everyone, thanks for taking a look at the book.
Honored to have you today. Thank you. And thank you for all the work you've done, not just the book, but you're changing economics and you're making it more applied and practical. And thank you, and good night.
Thank you so much. Everyone have a great day. Keep changing the world. Thanks, Ryan.